In this session, let us see another SDLC model, V model. V model is also known as verification and validation model. It is just an extension to the waterfall model. So waterfall model was discussed in the previous video. In waterfall model, all the phases of software development life cycle take place in a sequential manner. That is, the next phase of software development is begun only after completing the previous phase. And each and every phase in the software development life cycle produces some documentation, and this document will serve as the input to the next phase. That is what we saw in waterfall model. So similarly, here in V model, all the requirements are gathered at the beginning and it cannot be changed. That means every requirement of the customer is fixed and it should be collected at the initial stage before the beginning of the project. And we can see that for every phase in the development cycle, there is an associated testing phase, which was not available in waterfall model. So now let us see how this model works. Here, the steps of the process are bent upwards soon after the coding phase to develop a typical V shape. So this is the figure which represents the V model. So here different phases are arranged in a V shape. And you can see that the requirement analysis design phases are arranged from top to bottom, and coding phase, when it reaches the coding phase, then again the process continues in the upward direction, which forms the V shape, and each and every phase will be associated with testing phases. So here there will be a relationship between each phase of the software development life cycle along with the associated phases of software testing. So we have seen different horizontal and vertical lines in the pictorial representation. So this horizontal and vertical axis of this model represents time or project completeness and level of abstraction respectively. So here the first phase is requirement analysis, and after the requirement analysis phase is completed, then it begins the high level design phase. Then after it completes, low level design phase will begin, and next comes the coding phase. And after coding phase, the testing phase comes, and each of the testing is performed along with the different phases of software development. You can see unit testing, integration testing and system testing is performed in parallel to the phases that has been started from beginning to the coding phase. Now you can see that it appears like a V. So here in this model, some requirement analysis is done at the initial stage, and then it progressively moves to the detailed and technical representations of the problem and the solution. So here there is no fundamental difference between waterfall model and V model in reality, but we can see the difference in its visualization. So V model provides a way of visualizing how the verification and validation actions are applied to earlier engineering work. That is, each of the phases will be associated with a testing phase, and verification and validation takes place in these different phases. Now you can see what are the advantages and disadvantages of V model and where this model is being applied in the software, in what type of software. That is, the V model is a highly disciplined, easy to understand and makes project management easier, because every requirement is analyzed at the beginning itself and it is clearly defined. Therefore, it will be having a well-disciplined manner of development, and the project management becomes easier. Next comes the disadvantage of this model, that is, it is not a good model for complex projects or projects that have unclear or changing requirements. So we have already said that the requirements should be clear. Therefore, if the requirements are changing frequently, this model is not a good model for such type of projects. Then the application area where it can be applied. What kind of softwares can use V-model? V-model is a good choice for software where downtimes and failures are unacceptable. Okay, so this is all about V-model. Thank you.